location. Pulling up to our lineup is so insane, it's crazy. Holy shit, check this out, man. This made me want to get a Subi, bro.
Oh, he got the Advan GT.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
He got the Bride in the back. Oh my god. That's insane, bro. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. This car is game changer. Check out the interior, bro. Oh my god. He was stupid. This type of wing I want, like something like that. That'd be sick.
Yeah, this is the best car.
Yeah, he killed the game.
Bro, this is a Need for Speed car.
I know. Check out this. Oh my god. Bro, this is by far, this is the car show here. Oh shit. Oh, look at the mirror. He got the mirrors.
Right.
This dude got the Need for Speed. Oh my god. This is killing the GTR. With the wide body kit too? This is insane, man. This is a Need for Speed car. It's not, damn, there's so many Subis here. Wow. These are so insane. Wow. And then you got the Nissans right here. You got the Z's, the 300. This is insane, man. This Dawson truck is fucking rare. And it's in good ass condition. That's insane. Wow.
Oh my god.
Look at the condition. Ooh. This is a nice one. Nice rim. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
That's insane. That's insane. Wow. Oh, it's insane. This is a nice man. We just got here and it just started. It's insane, man. God damn, check that out. Wow. Insane. I love this purple. This purple goes so hard. Jesus Christ.
48.
Oh, the supercars coming in.
48.
Remember I told you they coming in supercars.
Is that the new Mustang?
Oh, it is. Oh, shit.
Huh?
Oh my god. Oh my god, the new Mustang. Oh. Oh, they got a Kia Stinger here too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Smart guy, park right there. Oh my gosh. Woo. Beautiful. Beautiful, man.
That's too.
Because it's really an S2000 Type R meet. All right, I ain't gonna lie, bro. All this, looking at all this, makes me want to fix my Integra up hella bad, bro.
Oh my god. Spoon race.
Oh my gosh. This yellow go hard.
Man, I love the yellow.
Wow. Oh, you got top one. Hey, sponsors, we got them. Let's go. All right. Now we gotta go see the other side. Right. I know, that's what everybody keeps telling me, bro.
Look at that blue one, bro.
That blue one to go hard.
White wheels.
Blue one go hard. Watch out, watch out.
Hey, let me move the chairs. Yep.
That's two.
Pull up, bro.
take supercars down in a minute. They got Lambo over there. They got everything. Oh my gosh, bro. What the? Damn. Bro, they are coming deep. You can hear the turbos, man. People keep telling me to get a Type R, bro. Like, hella cheap. I get these cheaper than anything, bro. Oh my god, it's more coming. Cause just think about it, 10 years from now, these gonna become super classics, bro. And they're gonna stop making them.
My favorite is that light one.
I love that red one. I love that red.
Oh no, that blue one. That was like the one that was in SF.
Oh yeah, huh? Oh yeah. I wish my 350 was working at the moment. Check out this wrap right here, man. This is insane. Holy shit. This is sick. I love this wrap. Oh, it got like the flakes in it. Oh yeah, that's wet. Damn, look at the rear bumper. I ain't never seen this before. Holy shit. All right, they switched them out for the titaniums. Oh man, that's insane, bro. Oh my gosh. And the week just started, like literally. There's more Type R's pulling in.
She was out like 7 seconds. Is that right?
Who? Oh my gosh, bruh. Bruh. If this ain't goes, I don't know what to tell you guys. These are hella fast, bro. 600 plus horsepower. Damn. That's insane, bro. Ferrari. Oh, your dream car. The McLaren.
Oh, not the new one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ain't this the bin? No, this is the yeah, this is, yeah. Man. Bro, bro, this wrap, bro, this shit is insane. And this is the GT one. This is insane. Holy shit. Oh my god.
How much did he put into it for it?
That shit is so wet. Oh my god. I8, R8, Ferrari. Oh my gosh. Kia Stinger. I love Kia Stingers, bro. If I get a 4-door, I have to get a Stinger. Why is... Never mind. GTR. The first blue GTR I've seen that's not in the showroom.
Right.
That shit dope. I still think the i8 sexy as fuck, even though people say, hey, damn. That shit's so sexy. Oh my god. And I feel a wrinkle on here. Oh my gosh. If this don't inspire you guys that's watching this video, I don't know what will. There's so many cars here, bro. God damn, check out this car, man. Woo! That's it, nice. Damn. Please park by me. Please park by me. Your Acura brother. They said screw the supercar side. We're going over here with the
JDM.
Yeah. Damn, this is hard. Carbon fiber side skirts. Carbon fiber. Oh my gosh, this is killing the game. Wow. That's hard. That's hard. Super insane car meet, and it's still early. The meet just started 30 minutes ago, and it's like so many fucking cars here. So it's gonna be way more cars here because it's till like 10 a.m. But damn, this lineup is insane. Holy shit. Whew. This is like a Cars and a Coffee, but something totally different.
Yeah,
Like a JDM Cars and Coffee, and then you still got the supercars, but they tucked in the side. It's crazy. It's a crazy car show, car meet, whatever the hell you want to call it. Oh, you already said popping?
Man, bro, it's hella wild.
Crazy. There's more cars pulling in, and I'm trying to get everything. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that shit is insane. Something about that black with the gold. Oh my gosh, this is insane. God damn. Oh yeah. Oh, you got the APR. Gold. And when I think of Vipers, I think of Corvette. I feel like they're in the competition. He got the best Viper. The white one?
Hell yeah.
He got the best one.
Gotcha.
That'd be funny if it's him too. I think he got work too. Oh, he got the wheels. RSX, slow down.